When you are at the premium zone or a discount zone, you ignore the table, right? We look the table only when you get a buy somewhere in the middle or sell in the middle. But when you are at the top, then generally, right, you look for the magic pattern. So we got the magic pattern. You saw a nice gap. Suddenly it did a little bit a double top, and then again it started dropping. So it should come all the way to the bottom, and then again it can go up. We took profits on gold. Same thing, CL crude oil is also looking bearish. In 5 minutes, there are a lot of sell orders. So we can go to 1 minute and take the shots. Right, your 1 5, everything is bearish. Still, there is a nice gap. Yeah. Go back to GC. Make sure you going for the. If you have stop loss, make sure you cancel them. into the bottom, there might be a small reversal, and then again it will drop. You take short on GC one more time. And then is also dropping. Crude oil short and GC short. We are expecting GC to come all the way to this buy order block. The volume is still bearish. There might be a small pullback, but finally it should come here. If it breaks it, then it should come here. But yeah, we can take profits here. Now we have GC short and also crude oil short. Both are bearish in 1 hour also. That's why you can be confident. You'll take profit one more time and then again enter short. You can take a bear call spread on the crude oil. You sell 71.75, buy 72.25 for tomorrow. Click again of magic button. GC mid drop. So if it breaks this, it will come all the way down. We took profits on CL also. CL also went all the way to 71.86. So yeah, that's it everyone. So within 45 minutes, we made nearly 600, $650. Please let me know if anyone has any questions. So if you have 10 funded accounts, that is nearly $6,000 in 1 hour. Right? We saw that in 1 hour, it is bearish. In 5 minutes, it is bearish. So you enter 1 minute and we took the shorts. So when it was dropping, I took profits again, went little bit above and took the shorts. Yeah, I closed all the GC contracts. I took profits on GC and the crude oil. No, you're not holding anything now. I took all the profits. Tomorrow morning again we can do with ES or yeah, for crude oil you need to do April contracts. Santosh, did you fill the yeah, if you got a new laptop, you need to send a new machine ID along with the old one. So we'll replace the old one. And Santosh, you need to fill the Google form. So only if you got the indicators subscription, then you'll get the indicators. No, we don't take any trades because again it will take 1 hour, right? If we take any trades now. So yeah, within 1 hour we made nice profits. When you do, if we do over trading again, market will take back some better. Mm. Yeah, Ram, so I'll check and refund that. Surya, what is it you want to? What is your question? Yeah, Vinay, you can ask your questions. Yeah, Vinay, what are your questions? Right. Yeah, make sure first you watch all the videos. Yeah, bear call spread for April, CL April. So for CL, because it is April contracts now, you need to make sure in replicant also you have to use April. Sometimes Ninja Trader will automatically change, but replicant may have the old tab. Santosh will get access in next 15-20 minutes. Vinay, we can't hear you if you're talking. We'll go to the next one. Yeah, Kiran, do you have any questions? Kiran Kolla, Pramod, do you have any questions?
Hello, sir. Can you able to hear me?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah. So I just took the options for CL in Think of Swim, and
Mhm.
I see CLJ 25, which is for February.
Yeah, that is
So,
fine.
oh, that
Yeah.
is fine. Sorry, because
Mhm.
when you said April, so that is where I'm little confused. Like, did I put the wrong one?
No, that
Okay.
is fine. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Kiran, do you
Hello.
have any
Can you
questions?
guys hear me now?
Yeah, we
Kishore,
can.
can you hear me okay now? Sorry
Yes,
about that. I
please.
have some audio issues. Okay,
Okay.
so can I share my screen real quick?
Yeah.
Okay. So I've noted down some questions that I have. So there were cases where I observed some green area right above the sell block. For
That means
example,
there are a lot of buyers, right? There is a lot of bullish pressure. So even though it might be
okay,
sell
so
block, but buyers are in full control. They are trying to do the breakout.
okay, so does I mean this is way above the current price. So does that mean there are buyers as well as sellers here?
No, that is where
Current price is some.
you have buyers at the bottom, you have sellers at the top. At 110, you have sellers.
Okay. And what is the green area here?
That is just a order block will show both green and red color. You always see the font. If the font is red color, that means you have more sell orders there.
Oh, I see. Okay. So here we can't really say it's gonna stop it from going above, unlike other sell order blocks, is it?
Right. If there are more buyers, it can break that. Otherwise, it will touch that and then start reversing.
Okay. So this green area doesn't mean anything
Yeah, it is
because
just a
buyers will always be below the price.
right.
Okay. Okay. And other question I have is these two lines in the chart. I missed the last session where you talked about it. This one and this one.
So one is price
What
pulse
is
indicator, one is T5 indicator. So if price pulse and T5 are blue and green, that means trend is very bullish.
okay?
If both of them are red in color, that means trend is bearish.
Okay. Something like this. Okay, this
Mm,
is where we got the strong sell signal, is it?
right.
Okay. And so this is, I think this is my understanding. The yellow line, it's kind of changing. I know it's 200 days RMA, but
Yeah, it
if
is
I
EMA.
change it to,
EMA changes, so it is based on whether it is last 200 5-minute candles or last 200 1-hour candles. So it will calculate the
okay,
price based on that candle. So it will change based on each time frame.
yeah, got it, makes sense. Okay, so this is like most common thing that I see when I trade SPX in the morning. So in the 5-minute interval, I see that all of them are, all the three indicators are bullish. So I go back to 1-minute interval and I see that either it's bearish or it's in the oversold area. So
Yeah. So
what does that
in five
mean?
minute candles, do you see that candles always go up or are there any pullbacks?
Uh, I have not observed that. I mean, not maybe there is some pullbacks here and there.
There, so that is where your 1 minute is at a premium zone. So in 5 minute, if you are getting a
Uh,
pullback, that means in 1 minute it is at premium, it is coming to discount. Right?
got it.
When I
So I
took
may
a
have
good
looked at this particular candle in the 1-minute zone, is it?
right.
Okay. So I'd have to wait for the right candle. It will come back and I'll have
Right.
to
Yeah.
re-enter, is it?
That's what I told you, right? Your T5 is like your base location. If your price is so far away from T5, then wait for a pullback and then take a signal. If you want to go long, for example, you
Okay.
got that three, four green candles,
Right.
right, for Roku. Then always there will be a pullback. It will come because in 1 minute it already went so much high.
Got it.
It went to the premium zone. In 1 minute it should come to the discount zone. So that's where you got a red candle in the 5 minutes.
Got it. Okay.
So same thing in
Makes
one
sense.
hour. In 1 hour it will go up for some time. Again there will be a pullback. That means in 5 minutes it went to the premium zone. It is coming down. That is where in a 1 hour or 30 minutes candle you will get a pullback. So all pullbacks
Okay.
in the smaller time frames or in higher time frames are like in smaller time frame it is overbought and then there is a reversal.
Okay. So we should always trust the higher time frame and then go back and wait for the right direction and buy
Right.
it.
Yeah. Right. Higher time frame is for your high level planning. Lower time frames are for your execution.
Okay. Makes sense.
We saw that crude oil
And
is at a resistance in higher time frame in 1 hour. Gold is at a resistance in 1 hour. Now you can confidently go and take the short trades in 5 minutes or 1 minute. Whenever you see a sell signal, you short it. Again, there will be some small pullback. You wait. Again, it will start dropping. Again, you take a short.
got it. Okay. Yeah, I actually followed your gold signals now, so I get that better now. And here is my trade accurate because I have a stop order well above here. Can it really get past this 100% of sell orders? It's
Chances are
there even
very
for 15 minutes.
chan- chances are less
Okay.
during this time frame. It is chances are less.
Okay. I meant 5 minutes time frame. I also looked at 15 minutes and 1 hour. It has like huge sell order block. All of them, all the sell orders are within this range itself. So 100% of there are no other sell orders above that.
Right.
And I think I asked you this question yesterday about the indicators. So I actually got two strategy and two indicators plan. I got access to three indicators. Instead
So
of
you
the
have
other
four,
strategy, can
right?
I get?
Okay. You have T5,
No,
T.
this is a
Okay.
public one. I only got three. Can I get another indicator?
Yeah, you can tell like which one. Do you want reversal or reversal is another good one?
Yeah, I mean whichever is good one. I am planning to take the 6 months uh, indicator or five indicator one. Is that when you give access to all the indicators? Because I've seen people got like 10 or 12 indicators.
Yeah, no. Whether you have 6 months or whatever it is, maximum five, or maybe if they take five, maybe I'll give one more extra like that. But yeah.
Okay. For somebody like me who is just getting started, would you suggest taking three or five? I primarily use it for SPX trading.
Uh, Again, it's all about confidence, right? If you see if T5, T55 magic pattern is showing and also your top trend shows or your reversal also shows, then your confidence will be much more.
Okay. Okay. In that case, can I just start with three indicator plan, and if I want to upgrade to five indicator later, can I do it?
Yeah.
I can probably, pay the remaining fees when I'm ready to
Mm-hmm.
take more indicators. Is that something that you can accommodate?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay. Can you give me access to the other indicator? So,
Can you put your
reversal
username?
one.
Like, what is your
It's
username?
WinPot. It's WINPOT.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I gave it. You can log out and log in, or if you open a new
Okay.
tab, yes. Yeah,
Okay.
we'll go to the next one. Yeah, Abhinav,
Yeah.
do you have any questions?
Hey, Kishore, yeah. So Kishore, so I think I don't know it's mine or not. I feel that these indicators work extremely well with the stocks, but futures like I don't know. Is it the volume kind of like throws it off? Do you think in off market?
Right. Yeah. In off market, I told you many times, right? In off market, when volume is very less, it can go any side. So it is a little risky when market is off. But even volume is good, right? Today we saw how ES or
Oh
those
yeah,
things move. So when
yeah.
volume is good, so
Yeah, I was in fact I was watching the NQ chart and in the last 5 minutes I made like in a single candle $500. So I'm not complaining about it, but it's just like I was just trying to understand it that is it because I made pretty good trades with these stocks today. I got NBIS and Nvidia a couple of like I made a couple of but I was trying to understand the futures is like why I'm not able to get some time
if
because
we
I
need good
tried.
volume, yeah, or you have to go to 1 minute time frame or something when volume is very low.
So, Kishore, I know
Mm,
you were showing that earlier. I know there was an indicator where you had that. I think NG was it, right? The one where you had the volume which shows on the dynamically.
right.
Okay. So, is that NG only applicable to NG or is it like any ticker? Is it works on?
It is for anything.
Oh, okay, okay, I got you. Okay, so maybe I'll ask you later to add it. That's okay. Thank you.
Uh, Praveen, do you have any questions?
Yeah, Kishore. So actually, this April month, February, March month, right? We will put it in replicanto, right? So how do we know we have to change actually? So when do
Generally,
we?
whenever you log into NinjaTrader to open
Mhm.
Replicanto, you will get a window saying like, oh,
Oh, okay.
crude oil rollover is happening from March to April, like that.
Oh,
So
the
whenever
pop-up,
you
right?
see, and also in trading view, you will see that there is a contract exchange is happening. It won't.
Okay.
So then we know that yeah, month is changing. Then we have to just go and type CL there. Then automatically it will pick up the latest month.
Okay. I see CL and GC, whatever we took, it is 04 only, April only. But I took some trades before our meeting, ES and NQ, but those are still March. Is that fine or
Indices
those
will be
are
only quarterly, right? They will be March or June or September or December, like that. All the US indices. Only for
okay?
commodities you have this monthly or bi-monthly.
Okay. Okay. So by mistake, if we don't do, our accounts will get deactivated, like take profit trader or some other, or there was
No,
one
no.
rule, right?
Only they won't get copied. That's it. Nothing. Only thing is you have to close the trade before the time. That is the main
Okay.
rule.
Okay. Okay. Even if we back month, if we take it, our accounts will not get deactivated, right? Any of these platforms.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That won't be any problem.
Okay. Okay. Thanks, Kishore. So one more question I have is, I want to upgrade to 6 months. How do I do? So do I need to wait for end of month, or I can go ahead and upgrade and we will?
You can upgrade. You can upgrade, and then once you let me know, I'll give the prorated refund for this monthly subscription.
Oh, okay. 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 Thanks, Kishore. Yeah, that's all I have.
Hey, Kishore, I have one more question. Sorry, I was looking. I know you were showing Baidu on the Friday, and I know Baidu dropped today. Do you think it's still bullish? Because as per the one you check on the, I forgot what's on the PPT you check. That's the one. It was showing still a bullish for Feb and March, correct?
Right, but there is some catalyst. I think yesterday there was some news on Baidu. Some major
Oh
negative
yes.
catalyst.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so that's what kind of okay.
Right.
I'm in a March call, so I don't know whether I should exit it or just keep
No,
it.
it may still go up because sometimes they create those news intentionally and then they will take it all the way up.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I'm in March call, so it's not like a weekly call. So I just wanted to check with you. So okay.
Yeah,
Thank you,
yeah,
Kishore.
sure. Ashrit, do you have any questions?
Yes, Kishore. So a couple of things. One is I set up this Replicanto in the VMware in my Mac. So would you be able to update the Mac ID? I
Yeah,
mean
you can
ID.
you can you can send your previous ID and the Mac ID, then I can update.
Okay. So I want to try it out, and because when maybe I can just quickly share my screen. Okay, I don't have an option. Would you be able to help?
You can copy it in the machine ID.
Yeah. So here, so this is the VMware in my Mac. So I was
Go
able to
go
connect.
to help. Right.
Uh,
Yeah. Go to help and copy that machine ID. Third party licensing. Yeah. Put F FLO. Yeah. Be capital. Use the same one like what you did last time. Yeah. Copy that into the Zoom chat.
shit.
Did you?
Oops, sorry. Mm, I think I may not be able to copy it from VMware. I think I pasted a wrong one.
Shankar will not take any more trades today. So that's why I'm not checking PL.
So let me see if this is pasting in my local. And yeah, I don't know how to copy this from VMware. Copy. Okay, let me do one thing.
You can email to my address.
Yeah, that's what I'm planning to do. So once you update it, this issue will go away, right? You don't have valid license, etc.
Right. Right.
And I should just have this open and in my Mac, and I should be able to.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. So I will share that. And the second question I had is regarding the. Let me share my other screen. Uh, okay. So here I was trying to look at Walmart's earnings for Wednesday morning. So I was in the day. So I looked at ran through your videos. So little bit of confusion is like there's a lot of buy orders here, and it's already at the peak, and the trend also shows bullish. So should we assume or understand that it is going to be downtrend because it's already at peak? It's already
But you don't see any sellers, right? So it is
yeah. I
little
don't.
risky when you are at a top. If you see sellers and if it is at the top, that is a good one.
Okay.
But as of now, you don't see any sellers there.
Okay.
So it can go little more up also. So at the time, it is better you ignore it or yeah,
Got it.
better
So if I have more sellers here and probably buyers here, would that mean that it may be coming down?
right.
Okay. Okay. And let's say I'm taking a day trade. I look at 5 minute, and if the 5 minute is bullish and the 1 minute is bearish, what should be my strategy?
You wait for 1 minute to become bullish.
Okay, so just both 1 minute and 5 minutes should be at the same pattern.
Same direction, right?
Oh,
Otherwise, yeah, you will be unnecessarily in a loss for some time.
okay, got it. Okay, yeah, that's it. I think I'm good. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah. Surya, do you have a question?
What happened today?
Yes, Kishore. Can I share my screen?
No, 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 no.
Yeah, Surya,
I'm not
you can
sure.
join as a panelist and you can share it.
Awesome. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. So today I was looking at the NQ chart. I saw this one is in green, and I saw this turned to green, and also this turned to blue, and I jumped in, and it did not work out the way. I mean, is it something that I'm missing here, or uh,
So first thing is we know that right even yesterday we took the bear call spreads because it is already very bearish, right? In 1 hour it is bearish.
mhm.
So so when it started it was completely bearish. So
Right.
always we need to go with the higher time frame. So in the morning time you see 1 hour and trade in 5 minutes. In the evening time see 5 minutes and trade in 1 minute. So because it was already at a bigger bearish, then your buy signal may be only for 5-10 minutes. Suddenly it will drop. So
Okay.
that's why we need to see that okay, if in 1 hour it is close to resistance, then only focus on the sell signals.
Okay.
Right. So today morning, if you see the T5, where do you see the T5 at the bottom? Right. You are
I'm
yeah,
on
it
1 hour
is
chart.
right. Yeah, 1 hour. Yeah, but still, where you were at morning 8:30, 9 o'clock. We are all right at the top
Almost
of the
at the
chart.
top. Yeah.
So that's why it went all the way until last 15 minutes. Nearly it
Okay.
was completely bearish. In last 15-20 minutes, suddenly they took it up, took it back to the
Oh,
original price. But yeah, so
okay.
that's why yesterday, last night also we took bear calls and we made nice profits today morning with PS.
Mhm, mhm.
So yeah, that is the key. So
So
always look
basically, always look at confluence with a bigger time frame is the key.
right. Yeah, in that way we'll be in the correct direction.
Okay.
Right. Otherwise, if we follow child, parent is telling it is bearish. But if we are going with child's direction, right, child will always have an experience. Parent will always have more experience. So 1 hour is like a parent, 5 minutes is like a child.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
So if you go to GC now, so see what do you see in GC now, where it is,
Okay. So GC is a top,
right? That's
and
why
that is the reason we took short.
we took short, even though it went 200, 250 loss also, we stayed because we know that in 1 hour it is bearish. So
Okay.
definitely it made nearly $500-600. So yeah,
So
that's it.
so the 1 hour and then switch to 5 minutes, and again to place a trade, you switch to 1 minute.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, in the morning time, you can stay in the 5 minutes itself. In
Okay.
the evening time, because it will be very choppy, low volume, so we can go
Mm-hmm.
to 1 minute and trade.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah,
Thank you, Kishore. And how
sure.
do I get access to other Telegram groups?
Generally, can you go back? Like when you subscribed, it will give you 2 channels access. I don't know why it did not give you. Can you go to that bot, Telegram bot, where you subscribed?
So I'm seeing only this group.
Because there should be 2 channels. It will give you 2 buttons: giant channel, algo
Mhm.
bot, and the giant channel that Ninja indicator updates.
So I'm only on premium here, also premium.
Um, yeah, I'll see and I'll add to you that.
Okay.
Yeah. So, Uncle, do you have any questions?
I think I'm good. Thank you.
Yeah.
I have a question. Can I share my screen?
Yeah.
Sure. Well, he shares the question. So for existing members, if they want to change to 6 months or lifetime, is it a new pricing or a old pricing?
Yeah, whenever you want to subscribe, you have to use at that point of price. Right. If you would have taken that 6 months at the old price, then that old price will continue forever, for lifetime.
Okay, got it. Okay.
So I was looking at this NKD, and in NKD, I see that bearish in 5 minutes. Everything is bearish, and nothing below that till 93 this point.
But you are already at the bottom, right? In the T5, you are completely at the bottom.
This consolidation, right? Okay.
Right. It is consolidating at the bottom. So a little risky, right? It may still drop, but if it is at the top and you see this, then it is a very good opportunity.
Because it's at bottom, okay. So it's
Mm.
not. I went to this 1 hour and I saw that this is there, but then again, this is buy order is there. 1 hour.
Right. That's what, because it went
Yeah.
all the way to since morning. I think it is dropping. So now it is somewhere where it can bounce back.
Okay. Okay.
So that's what, yeah.
Because
Whenever
this is
you take the
bottom.
trade, try to find a reason not to take a trade. Then you will be successful.
Oh, try to find a
Mm.
reason not to take a trade. Okay.
Yeah. If you find a reason, then don't take a trade. If you don't find any reason, then take a trade.
Okay. And Kishore, this one, today you took a trade on this GC. And GC, you looked at,
Just
you
now I
took a trade
explained to another guy, Surya, right? I saw that in 1 hour it is at a very big sell order block, huge resistance.
in 1 hour. Okay. Because in
So,
5 minutes it was showing bullish.
right, 1 hour it was bearish, 1 minute was also created the magic pattern.
So then we don't need to consider the 5 minutes because big sell order is there in.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Right, 1 hour
Thank
is
you.
stronger than 5 minutes. It is like grandfather. 5 minute is like father. 1 minute is like child. So if grandfather is telling that it will go down, then it has much more potential for a drop.
So I normally, as you said, I try to compare 1 hour. If it's falling, go to 5 minutes. If it's falling here, I missed it. It should also fall. And then execute in 1 minute if it's falling, right?
Right, yeah. Wait for all sell signals in 1 minute and you can execute. Whenever there is a buy signal in 1 minute, you ignore it. If 1 hour is bearish, 5 minutes is bearish, then take all sell signals or take all red. Whenever you see a red candle, that's a good opportunity. Whenever you see a green candle, just close and wait for the next red candle.
Wait for the next red signal to take a short, huh? In
Right,
1 minute. Because it's all bearish. Wait for the next, like this is getting green. I should
right.
wait for it to again become red. But again, it's over
Yeah.
oversold.
Right.
So if you want to look at the green GC now, GC is a perfect example what you want to understand. GC in longer time frame is still bearish. So if you look at 5 minute chart, it's still bearish, right? But 1 minute is continuously to go up. But 1 minute has a resistance at I think for 3948.1. So it's rejected from there, and it will reject until 5 minute will turn green.
So here come again, like 5 minutes shows bearish, yes. And then if I go to 1 minute,
So it's turning. Yeah, it went to up that to see that it rejected at that block, red block. You see that right there?
this one, right?
No. Yeah, no. The 2 minute candle before that, the green and then red, where you see that 237, it touched 237 and it dropped, and again it's coming down. See that sellers are coming down because 5 minute is still bearish. Your 1 minute is bullish, but the 5 minute is still
1
bearish.
minute is bearish. So even if it comes, this is bullish, it is
Yeah,
coming down, right?
yeah. So 1 minute will has to go to the uh, premium zone and then it will drop. I think that's what Kishore was trying to tell you earlier too.
Yeah, that I
So,
didn't
yeah.
catch it. What does that mean? Like in 5 minutes, if it's bearish, so what does that mean? Like this is my T5 compared to T5. Now I'm here. That means I am at discount, right?
Yeah,
In 1 minute.
Yeah, in 1 minute is 1 minute is already bullish. If you go to 1 minute looking bullish, right? The
Yeah.
T5 in 1 minute is like you have decent gap, but you see how start the gap is starting to come down. See the white and green lines. You are looking at the there you go, top on the top. You
Yeah.
see they're starting to the distance between them is getting minimum, right? So that kind of tells you that sellers are pushing the price down, and that's what in 5 minutes you see that the gap is still widened. The gap is
5 minutes, it's still what? Still, it's there. Yeah.
so you see as 1 minute will turn into, so if you go check the 3 minute, 3 minutes will probably start showing you that is trying to turn bullish. See,
But
so
then
it
it's
all
overbought,
starts from
right?
a lower
Overbought.
time
Then
frame.
this is again oversold.
Mhm. Yeah, it's oversold. So it's trying to convert into bullish, but 5 minutes is still not bullish. It can, right? So there is nothing written in the stone. It's all about at what point sellers and buyers will come, but it's just indication kind of showing you that in 5 minutes it's still bearish. 1 minute has turned bullish. 3 minutes is trying to be bullish, but doesn't mean that it will turn bullish, right? If the sellers continue to press at this point, it will just come down.
But then we cannot take the order, right? 137 GC orders are there already at the bottom.
No,
If
so
it
if
crosses
you
this,
just have to have 138 sell orders, and that block is gone.
yeah, but 137 is a good amount, right? Now strong sell is coming over here. 5 minutes is bearish. If strong sell comes, then can we go for it?
To short,
To short, it doesn't make sense, right? 137 buy orders are there. Why
there you
would I
go.
short here?
You don't want. That's what Kishore was saying. You want to find the reason to not take trades, right?
Reason
It
not to
has
take
to be
trade. Yeah.
ultimate confluence for you to take the trade. So if that 1 minute turns red and your 3 minute again gonna start diverting and you see 5 minute gapping up, then you can take a shot. I mean
But
GCI
then,
will be very gold.
but
I will
then
be
if the
very
reason,
careful.
the complete reason 137 is the reason not to take a trade.
Yeah,
Buy
The
order,
one
right?
don't short as of now. If it goes to that 137 red, you can short maybe at that time if it becomes you
And
see a sell.
even if 137 is breached, only then, right?
Right. Yeah, only 137 beach, then take a shot. Otherwise, wait for it to because there
Okay.
are some buyers, it can bounce back again.
and gold moves very fast, so be very careful. I have blown 2 3 accounts on gold, so gold moves very fast. A single point is $100. So by the time if you don't put a stop loss, it will be gone. You see how the 1 minute is dropping? You see that?
Yeah,
The
1 minute
T5
is
is,
dropping.
yeah. And that's the reason because 5 minute is still bearish.
If 5 minutes is bearish, yeah.
That's what Kishore was telling you when he was telling you that higher time frame matters because that's the general direction of market in that time frame, right? So nothing turns immediately bullish, nothing turns immediately bearish. It takes time to take sellers and buyers out of that particular zones to make that bearish or bullish.
But that's what it's doing. Within 5 minutes, it needs to be bearish, but it's now 1 minute, it's stepping down step by step, right?
Yeah,
But then that's what Kishore is saying that if this goes beyond this, not immediately, if it
correct,
stabilizes beyond 137, then it could be a
correct.
short. Otherwise, we wait for a long. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Ankur, we'll go to the other
Thank
one.
you. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Sure.
Hey,
Hi, AP, do you
hey,
have a question? AP, we can't hear you if you're talking.
yeah. Can you hear me, Kishore?
Yeah,
Hello.
please go
Yeah,
ahead.
Kishore. Actually, I'm still, they already debated that one. The GC only. GC, I will follow the table there, right? The green one. I can share my screen quickly.
You don't follow the table when you are at a premium or discount because when you are at a premium, that means price is already very bullish, right?
Mm,
It
okay,
was going. Demand is so high, it went all the way to the top.
okay,
Only
okay.
when you are somewhere in the middle, you
Mm-hmm,
follow the table. When you are at a top or when you are at discount or premium, for
mm-hmm.
example, it came all the way to the discount. It started dropping.
Okay.
So what the table will show you?
Yeah, I got you.
The table will be bearish. So
Yes.
that's why when you are at discount or premium, ignore the table.
Mm-hmm.
Only look
Okay.
at you need to have premium plus sell order block, or
Mm-hmm.
you need to have discount plus buy order block. So
Yeah,
that is
I got
the
it.
Yeah, only when you are in middle you get a buy signal, strong buy or strong sell. Then you don't know whether it will go up or not. Then you look at the table. If
Got
table
it.
is looking bullish,
Hmm.
you get a strong buy. Then it has a high chance to go up.
Yeah, I got it, Kishore. What happened is the yesterday, right? So the GC is a full bullish actually. The entire day is bullish, right? So I take the all long actually. I gain for $2,000 for an account actually. So that's a elite trender. I almost completed that one actually. The problem is today it's I follow that thing. Then there's a top of the channel, right? That's I never noticed that. That's why I'm in the wrong direction. I have the long one. I'm holding that. It will be 300 negative. I hope still it's coming, but. Still, that's a mistake I made. I realized that actually what I thought the trend it shows, right? That will be matches that that's what I use my understanding. Yeah, I clarified now. Thanks, Kishore. Thank
So
you.
when it is at premium or discount, we don't have to look at the 1 hour time frame, Kishore,
Mm-hmm.
or we still keep the 1 hour
No, no,
time
that
frame.
1 hour time frame is good, but there is a table, right, with trend and
Correct.
trend strength. So that one,
We
when
can
you are at
ignore.
a premium and you see a big sell order block, right? Maybe
Uh-huh.
your table might show as bullish
Mm,
because already price went all the way up,
correct.
Right.
right? Buyers
Okay.
took it all the way up. So at that time, ignore the table.
Got got it, Kishore. Thanks, Kishore. Thanks for the
Sure.
clarification. Thank
Okay, Parag, do you have a question? Parag, we can't hear you if you're talking. Yeah, Srinidhi, do you have a question?
Okay, sure. Um,
Can you
yeah.
hear me now?
Hello. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, Srinidhi, just wait.
Yeah,
Parag,
yeah, sure.
go ahead.
Either way, go, Sri. You go first. That's fine.
Yeah. After you, Parag. I'm good. Thank
Okay, okay, all right. Kishore, I have a question regarding GC, the one we were talking actually. Uh, now, I'm in the 5 minute chart right now, or 5 minute. Yeah, it says 880 and 24%. So 24% is like the whole big chunk of order, and part of it, 24% is standing out there. Is that the right one? The way I
Yeah.
think.
Mm-hmm.
So like altogether is like 100%, and out of that 100%, 24% is standing right there, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, still there are 24% of orders pending there.
Of the total, right? 20% of the total, whatever is standing.
Right, yeah.
Okay, good. And the other thing is, actually, I had the same problem. The other gentleman was saying, um, I was I was in green, like $300-400, and I was just waiting, and I don't know how to connect. So I think I need a little bit more time to understand all this. But thanks for the explanation, actually.
Sure, no problem. Just a minute, everyone.
Good night.
Good night, Kishore.
Yeah, Sri, please go ahead.
Yeah. Sure. I have a quick question on the interactive broker, which is pretty new to the interface. I'm trying to place a um, mm, call and put for that. I just want to quickly check if I'm doing right thing. Is it okay if I share my screen?
Can you watch any YouTube video? Yeah, because again, there are a lot of people waiting.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Sure,
Sure.
yeah. It is, right? There are a lot of videos in YouTube. You can just say like how to place a call or put in IBKR.
Okay. Okay. I'll check
Yeah,
it. Yeah.
yeah.
No problem.
Otherwise, tomorrow in the setup session, and then
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, Pawan.
Yeah, my price is showing differently than what you were showing, Kishore.
Maybe do you have real-time data? Either
I
you need to connect to a brokerage or you need to connect to any prop firm. Then only you will see the real-time data.
so
Or
in
you need
trading view, I have a premium.
the
Uh,
premium doesn't give you the real-time data. You have to buy data separately.
so I bought the LA Trader 100K accounts.
Did you connect it?
I did.
Are you on the same tab where you connected, or are you on a different tab? Because if you are on a different tab, you may not see the real-time data. You have to be on the same tab where you connected the LI Trader fund, then you will see the real-time data.
Yeah, I think I connected in the Ninja Trader. It is not showing there, and even in Trading View also, it is not showing the correct price data.
Can you share your screen quickly?
Yeah.
Hey, Ganesh, do you have any questions in meantime?
Hi, Kishore Gaur, yes. I was under the impression in take profit trader, the moment I make profit, I can take. So I just got upgraded to pro account. I made $2,000 profit, but when I
What
try
is the
to go,
account
it
size?
doesn't.
What is your
Sir,
account size?
150K.
Oh, okay. If it is a 50,000, then you should be able to take profits. Or if you want to close your account, you can take the profit. Or
Oh,
you, if you want to, if you say that I want to close my account, they will give you the $2,000.
okay.
Or if you have 50,000, once you make 2,000, then you can start taking the payouts every day, multiple times. Because whatever is that trial stop loss, you have to make that, and then after that, anything you make, you can every day you can withdraw multiple times.
Yes, I have to go above 154,500 then.
Right, yeah. If it is a 150K, yeah.
Thank you, Kishore.
Yeah. Tomorrow you should be able to complete that.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Pawan, are you sharing?
Yeah.
So do we really have to buy the data, Kishore, for SPX trading, or is it not really needed? I'm not going to place trades on TradingView. I'm just going to use it for indicators.
Oh, no. If you connect to any brokerage, then you don't need to buy data.
But I only connect to take profit. I place orders in Charles
No,
Schwab,
if you have
and it doesn't
Webull or
have.
IBK or something like that, then you can connect it.
Yeah.
Or you can watch ES direction based on that also. You can trade SPX.
Okay. Okay, got it. And what is this lifetime subscription about? I'm hearing about it from one person or the other. Is there
Yeah.
something called lifetime subscription? Okay.
No, in the initial days, we gave it. When we first started, we gave that lifetime for a few members.
Okay. Okay. Maybe
Yeah.
if I stay here for like 1 year or 2 years, would you consider something like that?
Yeah, we may after 1 year. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thanks.
So we have Pawan or
Which, which screen you are seeing? Do you
You're
see?
seeing Radaway screen.
Okay, so I think it's a simulation.
So what is it you're trying to do?
So this is my trading view. So the price that shows here in my account and the price when you were trading some time back, it shows the different pricing. I connected the trader fund trader weight.
I'm checking what is the price. 2946.2. 29. Yeah, I think both are same. But maybe you might be on a different tab where Tradeweight is not connected. But as of now, both your time, my time are same matching.
And this Ninja Trader also.
Yeah,
is
Ninja, if you don't have data, you may see a different price. Again, either you have to connect to a prop firm or you have to buy data from Ninja Trader.
I
Otherwise,
I have connected the ETF here. Connected, it's showing me all accounts here, but the price is different. I imported the license key also in the Ninja account.
But anyway, you are not using Ninja Trader to do the trading, right?
Yeah, I'm not.
Yeah, then you can ignore the.
Yeah.
So again, right, when you are connecting to Ninja Trader,
Mhm.
you need to make sure the connections what you are establishing, the first connection whatever you are establishing in the Ninja Trader, that should have
Yeah.
the real-time data. For example, you connect it to some SIM account or something in the
Yeah.
connections. Then if that doesn't have the real-time data, then it will take all the data from that SIM account.
Okay.
So that is also important. But anyway, yeah, if you are not using Ninja Trader to take trades, you don't worry about the price there.
So I don't even need to open the Ninja Trader then.
Right. Only you need it for just for replicanta. You just need this. That's it.
Oh, okay. So then, and that's one thing. And then second thing, when I place an order here, I connected to the ETF TradeWeight account, and this is my master. Uh, and then in the replicanto, I have this as my master. Um, just for the trading. So when I place an order here, for example, if I go buy here somewhere, I get this error.
Did you complete the signature process? Whenever you
Yeah,
take any.
yeah. Like I completed in that trading TradeWeight web login.
Uh,
Non-tradable symbol. I don't know why.
GCJ. Can you go? There is some delayed data for you. Something is not right.
Yeah, but here it is showing me the. I don't have anything here in the trading view, which you said it's fine because I connected to TradeWeight. It should get from that.
All right, but
And then I don't know how can I open a TradeWeight account? Maybe here. No.
trader.tradeaway.com.
How
Simulation.
can yeah simulation and then I
Go to the
go on settings.
go to add-ons.
Once I selected all this.
Activated. Okay. Yeah. Go back. Close this. Close this and close your trading view and start open a new tab. Seems it is not pulling the right data as of. Yeah. Close the previous tab and create new layout or something. Yeah, now select the GC chart and connect it to the trader weight. Okay, now you are connected to trader weight,
Yeah.
but still you have that D symbol delayed that.
Yeah. So when I took the accounts in Elite ETF, right, I selected the trading view option that you.
Yeah, that is right. Yeah, you have to select trading view, but somehow you are seeing. Can you go to 5 minutes? And don't select icon ashes. Select normal candles. The second option. Okay, this also might be another reason why you see a different price. Icon ashes shows a different price
Okay.
than normal candles. So because I use normal candles, you are seeing a different price. Yeah, now
That is saying to buy it.
Yeah, maybe completely sign out and sign in and try.
Okay.
And for others, I think it is working fine, right? For other tickers.
I didn't try the other tickers. Let me try the.
Order filled.
Oh,
Order filled.
Yeah, others is fine, I guess.
yeah, I think. Yeah, now you can put a sell order there.
Order filled.
You now go to GC. Sometimes that
Order submit. Order filled.
sign out also can help.
Sign out and sign back in.
No, already you did it. So go to just to select GC now instead of ES. Yeah, now it is looking good. Yeah, there is no issue now.
Oh, okay. Sounds good.
Yeah,
Perfect.
sure. Yeah,
Thank you.
Sam, do you have any questions?
Yeah, Kishore, just are you able to hear me? Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. So Kishore, which is the best IBKR or commission wise? Which is the good one for the?
BKR charges less commissions compared to Thinkorswim, and also you can connect to TradingView. That is another advantage.
Okay, IBKR.
Right.
Oh, okay. So is there any minimum balance to maintain for the taking the options, Kishore? I'm sorry to ask the question, but we never use that. But I wanted to know that. Yeah.
Right. Again, if you want cash account, you can have 1,000 also. If you want a right margin account, then 25K.
Okay. Say suppose around 2 to 3,000. Can we start options with that? So whatever you're doing in the night time for the future market.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Kishore. Thank you. That's it.
No, I think he meant no. You can't do cash account on futures option. I think if you're referring to Kishore's when he does the futures option, you can't do on cash account.
Yeah, the spreads you need to have that one, but for futures options you don't need to have 25,000. Even if you have 5,000 with a margin account, that is good enough.
Oh, okay. For the spreads, we need that. Right?
For spreads, you need level 3 and you need a margin account.
Okay. How much the margin? 25K.
Yeah, if you put 5K, they may give 10K as a margin or 15K as a margin for futures.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Kishore.
So in the ETF future accounts, Kishore, we cannot do SPX.
No.
Right? It's only for futures.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. Kiran, are you there? You have to unmute and you have to ask a question. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Swati, do you have any questions?
Sure, this is down. I want to share my screen.
Hello, Kishore garu.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so I missed to take the GC. So you said I can take the long now, right? It's not good.
No, because it's overall bearish in higher time frames. So better long, it may go a little bit up and again start dropping in sometimes. So
Okay. And can I share my screen quickly to show the yes?
yeah.
Okay.
Maddie, do you have any question in meantime?
Are you able to see my screen?
No, Kishore garu. Yeah.
Okay. No, Kiran, we can't see.
Oh, okay. Yeah, some where to go and share. Okay. There is another Zoom meeting open. 1 second.
Yeah, at the bottom, once you join as a panelist, you will see the share button.
Yeah, like a more, okay, share. Yeah, I saw that. Screen. Is it, are you able to see it now?
Yeah.
Okay, right now the ES is 6156. Most of the sellers are here 6158. If the price comes 6158, can I short ES there?
As a T5 also, if it goes all the way to the top and the T5 starts dropping, then you can.
Okay, so the T5 has to go up to
Yeah,
here, and
because
if I see the red signal.
right, right. Yeah, if you see that type of signal, then you can short or you can do a ES bear call spread like that.
Oh, okay, okay. And yeah. So the GC you mentioned, like, it might go more down. Huh?
Yeah, it is bearish in 1 hour, so it may go further down overnight.
Okay, so if I see the strong sell or something, so can we go short? I
Yeah.
mean,
Yeah.
okay. So yeah, and if I like when you are calling, like if I have any questions, like I was unable to talk. So when you called that time, if I messaged you, then you will give the will unmute me or something like that.
Yeah, basically you need to use the raise hand option when
Oh, okay.
somebody then we'll unmute one by one and
Oh,
we'll
okay.
resolve that.
Okay, got it. Yeah, like when you call 2 times, like I didn't know how to um talk, and I messaged it, but I don't know whether you get it or not. I was not sure. So
Okay.
yeah, I will do that next one.
Yeah.
And the NQ, like, are we going to take any trades tonight, or yeah, are we done?
Night time is little risky, right? Because anyway, in the morning time, we can easily make another $300-400. So
Okay.
you can take bear call spreads or something like that. But prop firms, suddenly if it goes up, goes down, or suddenly internet disconnects, power
Okay.
issues or something happens, then yeah, it will unnecessarily create losses in all the accounts.
Okay. Yeah, like yesterday I took that spread, and thank you for that. And but I couldn't wait until it reaches 200. I got like $78 or something. Then I closed it. I had to go outside driving, so that's why I couldn't able to wait. That kind of spreads, can we take? Do you post anything every day, something like that?
No, I am only teaching you how to write. For 3 or 4 times, I'll teach you because I see a sell order. I'm taking it. Afterwards, I want you to
Yeah, I
do
know.
it in.
Yeah, we had to do by ourselves, but yeah, until like I started like yesterday only.
Right.
So
So now GC, you see, right? You are at a big sell order block in 1 hour. So you go above GC, you can take a bear call spread on GC.
1 hour. Okay. Where can I?
No, GC. It is not a global connection. You,
Oh, okay. GC Gold Futures. Okay. So I have so the 2956 is a big sell order, right?
it is around 2960. So you can go above 2960 and do a bear call.
Or 2960. Bear call means sell.
You sell 2960 by 2965 or something.
Or 2965, 5 points. Okay. Buy
Yeah.
call is 2965, sell call is 2960.
Right.
Okay. So this is a volume, like how to, okay, 21,000. Is that correct, Kishore Garu? Is that
Yeah,
volume?
nearly 21,000 sell orders are there sitting there. So chances are very less for price to break that.
Okay. And this, yeah, like that's a ladder. Like sometime, like if I want to take the long or short or something, I saw break. What is that break means?
That means it is creating a higher high. So the previous resistance is broken and it is
Oh, it's a
going further up.
breakout. That means it's a
Mhm.
breakout.
Right.
Okay. Yeah, sometimes I saw here it's a strong buy, and one red signal is coming here, and then it's not showing anything. Then immediately after that, it says strong sell. Sometimes, like, is that signal won't be there always when it goes down and up?
It will be there.
Okay.
Okay, we'll go to the next one.
Thank you. Thank you, Kishore.
Yes, Swati, do you want to share your screen or what is your question? Yeah, we can see your screen.
How to adjust the time frames here horizontally for you and seeing the time frame horizontally.
Can you give me the control? So here you have to go and then you have to make them as favorites. For example, you want 1 hour, 1 minute, 5 minutes. Then if you make them as favorites, then you will see them here.
Another question. So,
Your voice is not clear. Can you be a bit louder?
yeah, so is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm seeing this 51% and 5%. How to read this? The percentage of 137.
So that means approximately 51% sell orders are there at that price.
That's all.
Yeah. That's it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Kishore, this is Sam. Kishore, only one question. So, Kishore, for the alarms, can we set up more than 100 or something? Earlier, you posted in the
Based
group.
on your plan. If you have a premium plan, you can do up to 400 notifications.
Okay, so I
If
mean,
you have
essential plan I have, the first one.
essential, I think it is 100 or 200. I don't exactly remember, but yeah.
Oh, okay. Can we do it in one shot for the all alarms?
No. You
Oh,
have to only if you have premium plan, you can do for 2 watch lists.
yeah, Kishore, but permanently we can do that. No? That's what my question.
Yeah, you
Okay.
can.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. Venkat, do you have any questions? Venkat Reddy, are you there?
Hi, Kishore.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kishore. Earlier, I provided you the wrong trading view username for indicators. I've sent you in the chat. Could you please update with the correct username?
Did you send it on NinjaBot or?
No, I just sent you in the Zoom chat.
Can you send, what is the previous one? Can you also send it? So I'll remove that and I'll add this one.
Yeah, sure, Kishore. Do you want me to text on the WhatsApp?
You can put it in the Zoom chat.
Okay.
So you gave Venkat Reddy
Two I gave you, but it should be the 2 only.
Okay. I'm deleting the previous one and adding this.
Okay, thank you, Kishore.
Yeah, it is done.
Thanks.
Yeah, okay, bro. Tomorrow morning again, I can make that $400-500 with ES or NQ or GC something.
Good night,
So
Kishore.
yeah, good night, everyone. It's all about waiting for that confluence and then looking at the higher time frame. That is the key, right? Generally, most of the new traders they only look at the current time frame. But if you look at either 30 minutes or 1 hour before you take trades in 5 minutes, you will take 80-90% of the time you'll be in the right side. Yeah. Good night, everyone. Talk to you
Yeah,
tomorrow.
good night, Kishore.
Yeah,